Hello everyone, welcome to Heavy Crypto, and in this video I'm going to show you how I exactly make passive income without any liquidation risk. So leverage tokens are derivative products with no margin or liquidation risk. It provides you with leverage exposure to the underlying assets, which may amplify to profitability and potential losses. Alright, so meaning that when you're trading these leverage tokens, you are not exposed to risk, and all you do is to buy an asset and make passive income with it. But before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Heavy Crypto. So on this channel I show you how exactly I make passive income, specifically trading crypto. Okay, and you can see that right here I managed to get at least 1.9 BTC simply by trading leveraged tokens, right? And I believe that you too can do the same thing if you can just take action and follow the same process. All right, so make sure you join my Telegram group. The link is going to be in the description below, because that's where I'll be posting my setup trading ideas, and I'll be posting my trader alerts, and you can be able to talk to me directly. All right, so the link is going to be in the description below for my Telegram group. All right, so make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're really helping the channel so that we can be able to make all this cash together. All right, welcome to Heavy Crypto. So you can buy these leverage tokens on Binance or Bybit, and I will tell you the reason why you should use Bybit to buy these leverage tokens. So at Bybit, each leverage token represents a basket of perpetual contracts position. Okay, so it's the same as futures position, but then with these leverage tokens you're not exposed to risk, okay, because you cannot get liquidated or lose your entire position. This means that when you trade a leverage token, you are investing in a basket of contracts for the underlying assets. So on Bybit you have a bunch of different leverage tokens. Okay, so just gonna go ahead to derivatives and go to more right here and click leverage tokens. Okay, so it's gonna show you a bunch of leverage tokens that you can actually trade. So you can, if I go right here, you can see that there's ETH, BTC, XRP, and etc. going downwards, right? So notice that there's either long and either short. All right, meaning that if you buy either long, you're going to be making profits when the price of either is going up, and if you buy either short right here, which is either 2s, meaning that you're going to be making money when the price of either is going down. Okay, so for example right here, BTC 3L refers to leverage tokens holding long position of BTC USDT perpetual contracts with 3x leverage, meaning that these leverage tokens are multiplied by 3x. Okay, same as right here, BTC 3s indicates a leverage token holding a short position of BTC USD perpetual contracts with 3x leverage. Okay, so for every 1% increase in BTC USD price, the BTCL position, which is long position, will rise 3%, right? Same applies right here. For every 1% decrease in BTC USDT price of BTC 3S position, which is short position, will rise 3%, right? So all you need to do is to identify the trend direction and take advantage of the trend, right? So in this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can find this trend direction and take advantage of the market, and we're going to use TradingView, and the link to TradingView is going to be in the description as well. So the reason why I suggest you to use Bybit leverage tokens is because they have balancing mechanism. Okay, if you use Binance leverage tokens, they don't have that feature, right? Meaning that on Binance you are exposed to risk. Okay, but then if you use Bybit leverage tokens, they have balancing mechanism. So balancing mechanism is a process to make sure that your perpetual contract position of underlying assets will be dynamically adjusted to achieve the target leverage. Okay, meaning that when your underlying asset is depreciating in value, the mechanism will adjust to achieve the target leverage, and the balancing mechanism will be automatically triggered when the actual leverage ratio falls outside the target leverage range. So right here is diagram showing you some of the differences between leverage tokens and derivatives trading. So you can see that leverage tokens have no margin requirements, right? And derivative tradings have margin requirements right here. Leverage tokens have no liquidation risk, and derivative trading products have liquidation risk right here. And the investment scenario is that leverage tokens are one-sided markets, meaning that you can be making money on one side of the markets, right? If Bitcoin is going up and you have Bitcoin long, meaning that you're going to be making when the price of Bitcoin is going up only, and when it's going down, the mechanism itself gonna adjust your position. Okay, so derivative trading is very volatile, meaning that your position might depreciate or increase in value. So the reason why you should use leverage tokens is because leverage tokens are one-sided market. When the market moves in the same direction as your position, you can potentially maximize your profits with leverage, right? And if the market moves against your position, leverage tokens can help you to minimize your losses. So this is the reason why you should use leverage tokens instead of derivative trading. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead to TradingView and show you how exactly you can take advantage of these leverage tokens with technical analysis and some indicators that are reliable for this. So for example, let's say you want to buy a leverage token, so all you need to do is to go to derivatives right here and click where it's written more than derivatives and go to leverage tokens, right? So it's gonna show a bunch of tokens, as I said. So all you need to do is to choose a specific token that you want to trade, right? So let's say you want to buy XRP leverage token, right? Meaning that you're gonna be making money on one side of the market. So just gonna go ahead right here and go to leverage tokens right here, okay, and look for XRP. So it can be XRP long position or XRP short position, right? So let's say you want to buy XRP long position right now. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click right here, and you can see that XRP long position itself has increased the plus 8% within 24 hours. Okay, right now it's plus 7%. So these leverage tokens are exposed to one side of the market. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click XRP 3L right here, and it's gonna show me where exactly I can be able to buy and sell it right here. So let's just dive into TradingView and find out the potential opportunity, right? So we're just gonna go ahead to our TradingView right here, okay? So for those of you who don't know how to find coins, you're just gonna type on your keyboard or on your touchpad, just gonna go ahead and type XRP, all right? And it's gonna show you a bunch of coins, and it's gonna show you a bunch of coins that you can actually pick, all right? So right here you can see these are all sources of information, right? So in this case we're using bybit. We're not using chart from Binance. We're not using any chart from any other exchange. We're using the chart from bybit. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead where it's written XRP USDT right here from bybit, okay, and click right here, and it's gonna show us a chart from bybit. So right here you can see that I have a chart. But before I start opening the indicators, I just want to give you a brief view of what TradingView is all about. So TradingView is a platform where we do all the technical analysis and find opportunities to trade, alright? So if you want me to make more videos about technical analysis, make sure you leave a hashtag in the comment section below. Hashtag technical analysis, okay? And if I get more of those comments, I'm gonna start making videos about technical analysis. So what you're looking at right here is time frame, right? So this is 3-hour time frame, meaning that each and every candle you see here represents 3 hours, right? And right here you have tools so that you can be able to draw on your chart, right? So here are the tools that you can actually use, right? And right here you have price of XRP, right? And here are the bunch of other tools that you can actually use. Right here you can be able to set alerts and notifications and stuff like that. Right here you have a bunch of pairs that you can, and right here you can be able to add your favorite crypto assets and stuff like that. So I added all these crypto assets. These are cryptos that I trade, right, on daily basis. And this is time frame as well. So our first indicator is gonna be UT bot alert. So just gonna go ahead to where it's written indicators and strategies right here and search UT bot alert. Okay, so is this one right here, UT bot alert by content normed. I cannot pronounce this name, but here's the name, and it has more than 1,760 likes right here. Okay, so just gonna go ahead and click it right here, and it's gonna show you when to buy and when to sell. So if I expanded this chart right here, you can see that this indicator is showing me when to buy and when to sell. So you can see that right now it has given me a signal to sell right here, okay, meaning that the price is more likely to fall, all right, in the nearest future. So right now it has given me a signal to sell. But then this is not it. There's also another indicator that we have to add on our chart to confirm this trade, all right? So if you're subscribed to the channel, well, then you know that I told you need to have more than 3 indicators for more confirmations, right, before taking a trade. So this indicator right here, you can see that it's showing me when to buy and when to sell, and I don't use any settings right here. My settings are keep them on default right here, okay? You can see all these are my settings and I didn't change anything, all right? Just leave them on default, but then use this indicator for your own advantage. Right here you can see that the indicator has given me a sell signal, meaning that I need to buy a short leverage token, meaning that I'm going to be making money when the price is going down. As you can see, the price is going down and I'm going to be making money on its way down, right? All I need to do is to go on bybit and buy short XRP right here, okay, and buy it, and meaning that I'm going to be making money when the price of XRP is going down. So another indicator that we need to add on our chart for more confirmations is horses. Okay, so for you to add this indicator, you're just going to do the same thing. Go to indicators and strategies right here and type horses. Okay, is this one right here, right? It has more than 7,000 right likes, right? So just gonna go ahead and click it right here, and it's gonna be on your chart right now. So you can see that whenever the price is below this red line, it indicates the bearish trend, and whenever the price is above this green line, it indicates the bullish trend. Okay, and same applies on colors as well. You can see that whenever the price is in a bullish trend, this line turns into green, and whenever the price is in a bearish trend, this line turns into red. So if you can just follow these indicators and follow the same methods, buy when indicator tells you to buy and sell when indicator tells you to sell, you're gonna be making money with leverage tokens. Okay, so if you're new to this crypto channel, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're really helping the channel, and don't forget to join my Telegram group. The link is gonna be in the description below, because that's where I'll be posting all my TA analysis and my trading strategies. Okay, so if you wanna know more about those stuff, make sure you click the link in the description below and join my Telegram group. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You're really helping the channel by doing that as well. And let me know in the comment section below if you want to know more about these videos and of technical analysis and stuff like that, so that I'll post more videos about technical analysis and stuff like that. Okay, so this is it for today's video. I just wanted to show you how exactly you can make money with leverage token, and show you exact tools that you should use for your own advantage. Okay, so thank you for watching. My name is Arthur. Therefore, I'll see you in another video. Love and peace.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take